I guess a short definition amongst the two of those.
So contested divorces means that there's a certain item that's not agreed to. For example, let's say it's a long-term marriage and one of the spouses wants alimony, there's minor children involved, and there's properties. Let's say you could agree to, okay, we know how we're gonna spend our time with our kids and the type of schedule that we're looking for. And let's say we know what we're gonna do with the house. Let's say mom wants to keep it. I call Matt. Matt refinances or helps the process in refinancing the home. But the real issue is alimony. So if there's one thing that's pending, then that means it's contested because you can't, there's no agreement as to one party's claiming they have a right to something and the other party is completely in disagreement with it. Or maybe they agree to it, but the parties don't agree on the actual amount. Child support is different. Child support is through a calculation, and that is through the Florida guidelines, child support guidelines. But when we're talking about things like how an asset's going to be distributed, if one of the parties is going to receive alimony, if there's something in the air, like something pending that the parties can't decide on, then that's going to be a contested divorce. It doesn't mean that it's going to be heavily litigated. I've done contested divorces that I just pick up the phone. I know opposing counsel, or opposing counsel is very professional. We try to work together, and that's great. But, other times that's not always the case. So if we're not seeing eye to eye, if the parties are not seeing eye to eye, then yeah, it would be a contested divorce.